Good morning, students. Class 10th polynomial. Today, we will discuss some more applications based on forming a quadratic polynomial from the sum and product of zeros. In last video, we'll discuss the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial as well as a cubic polynomial. So related to that topic, now the application is find a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product. Read the question very carefully. What is given? Find a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of its zeros are respectively 1 by 4 and minus 1. The question is very important. So, how we will solve this question? Let the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are alpha and beta. What we have supposed? We assumed that the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are alpha and beta. Now what we have given? Here, sum of the zeros is 1 by 4. That is sum of the zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is given 1 by 4. Similarly, the product of zeros that is alpha into beta is equals to minus 1. Now, what is the sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial? If the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So, how we will write this minus b by a? We can write is as minus of minus 1 upon 4. Minus of minus 1 upon 4. Minus as it is in any given quadratic polynomial, a cannot be equals to 0. So, ax square plus bx plus c, b may be equals to minus 1. So, by comparing minus b by a, we can write minus of minus 1 by 4. Implies that b is equals to minus 1 and a is equals to 4. Similarly, alpha plus beta is your c by a. So, what is c? C we can write plus of minus 1 upon a. What is a? A is your already given 4. So, we can write it as 4 upon 4. So, if we write minus 4 upon 4, then a is 4 and c is equals to also implies that c is equals to minus 4. So, the required quadratic polynomial will be, so the required quadratic polynomial will be, next step, so the required quadratic polynomial is px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. By putting the values of a, what is a? A is your 4, so 4x square, b is your minus 1, so minus x, and c is minus 4. So 4x square minus x minus 4, that is your answer. Now next one more question. Again see, in this method we used alpha plus beta equals to sum of the zeros and alpha into beta, product of the zeros, and then we compared this with minus b by a and c by a. Then we calculated the values of a, b, c, and as per the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, by putting the values of a, b, c, we find that required quadratic polynomial. Now one more method, when the zeros are given, then the required quadratic polynomial px is equals to x square minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros. This is your direct formula to find the quadratic polynomial, where sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, that is given 1 by 4, and product of zeros is equals to alpha into beta, that equals to minus 1. So directly substituting these values in this formula, px, that is required quadratic polynomial, x square minus x into, what is the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is 1 by 4 plus the product of zeros is minus 1. So while taking LCM, it will be 4x square minus of x minus 4. That is your required answer. So this is the second method. By using direct sum of the zeros and product of zeros, the required polynomial will be x square minus x into sum of the zeros plus product of zeros, where sum of 0 is alpha plus beta, direct given 1 by 4, and the product of 0, that is alpha into beta, which is given minus 1. So by substituting these values direct in this formula, the required polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial, will be x square minus x into 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is the required answer. Now one more application. Find the quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of the zeros are minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Find a quadratic polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of the zeros are, question number second, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So how we will solve this question? Let the required quadratic polynomial is px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, having zeros as alpha and beta. What we assume? Please see, let the required quadratic polynomial is px barabar ax square plus bx plus c, having zeros as alpha and beta. One zero is alpha, another one is beta, and the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Now what we have given? Read the question carefully. Sum of the zeros is minus 1 by 4 and product of 0 is 1 by 4. Now, as per given condition, what is the condition? Given condition, sum of zeros s of z, sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is given minus 1 by 4. And what is alpha plus beta? This is minus b by a. So, minus as it is implies that on comparing minus 1 by 4 means b is equals to, implies that b is equals to 1 and a is equals to 4. Similarly, product of zeros p of z, in short form sum means s, zeros means z, product means p, and zeros means z. So, product of zeros are alpha beta, and alpha beta is given 1 by 4. And what is alpha beta? That is equals to c by a. So, here on comparing a is equals to 4 and c is equals to here implies that c is equals to 1. Now, the required quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c by putting the values of a is equals to 4, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to also 1. So, required one. So, required quadratic polynomial is px is equals to a is 4. So, 4x square plus x plus 4. So, this is your required answer. And how we have solved this? Using method alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1 by 4 equals to minus b by a, and product of zeros as alpha into beta barabar 1 by 4 equals to c by a. By comparing the values of a, b, c are a is equals to 4, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 1, and by substituting in the given quadratic polynomial, in this way we will solve. Now, second method, using direct sum of the zeros and product of zeros. When sum of the zeros and product of zeros are directly given, then using second method we can find direct the quadratic form polynomial. So, method second, how we will solve? The required quadratic polynomial is, let px is equals to x square minus x into sum of zeros. This is the direct formula, and which one also we derived in last video. Then plus product of zeros. Now see, so what is the sum of zeros? X square minus x into alpha plus beta, and what is the product of zeros? Alpha into beta, where given that क्या दे रखा हमें? सम ऑफ जीरो इज माइनस 1 by 4, so alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1 by 4, and product of zero, that is alpha into beta, is 1 by 4. So by substituting these two in first required quadratic polynomial, px is equals to x square minus x into 1 by minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So, it will be equals to 4x square plus of x plus of 1. That is your answer. So, this topic is very, very important, and in exam also you will get one question based on relationship between the zeros and its coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. Now next question, find the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 21/8 and 5/16. Also find the zeros of these polynomial. So in this question, what we have to do? First we have to find the required quadratic polynomial, and then using factorization we have to find those zeros whose sum and product are these. So first, how we will solve? Using method second, let the required quadratic polynomial is px is equals to, in this question directly we are using method second, px is equals to x square minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros. This is direct formula. When the sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, then the required quadratic polynomial will be this. Now what we have given? We have given that sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and it is given 21/8, and product of zeros is equals to alpha into beta, and that is given 5/16. So substituting these two values in first, so required quadratic polynomial px will be equals to x square minus sum of 0 21/8, so minus 21/8x plus 5/16. So taking LCM here, px will be equals to 16x square minus 42x plus of 5. So this one is your required quadratic polynomial. Now using factor method, we will find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So now how we will find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial? So the given quadratic polynomial Px is 16x square minus 42x plus of 5. Now how we will find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial? First of all, we will resolve it into prime factor. So the prime factors are multiply the outermost term, so that is 16x square into 5, that is 80x square. So resolve this into two factors such that their sum should be minus 42. So minus 40x minus 2x. If we multiply, this product will be equals to 80x square and sum will be minus 42. So Px is equals to 16x square minus 40x minus 2x plus of 5. So Px will be equals to, taking 16x as common, first we will take 16x square minus 2x minus 40x plus 5. Now the first two terms 16x square minus 2x and last two one is minus 40x plus 5. Now Px is equals to, take 2x as common, so here will be 8x minus of 1 minus, if we take 5 as common, then 8 of x minus of 1. So here Px will be equals to 8x minus 1 into 2x minus 5. So the prime factor are 8x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. Now for required zeros, Px should be equals to 0, implies that 8x minus 1 is equals to 0, implies that x is equals to 1 by 8, and let it equals to alpha. Similarly, second factor 2x minus 5 barabar 0, so x will be equals to 5 by 2 and let it beta. So in this way, using factor method, first we will resolve the given quadratic polynomial into its prime factor. Then for required zeros, we will put the quadratic polynomial equals to 0 and it will solve for required zeros alpha and beta. So in this way, when the sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, then direct using formula we can find the required quadratic polynomial, and then resolving it into its prime factor, putting equals to 0, we can also able to find the required zeros. Now next question, question number 3. Please note down, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 2, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. What we have given? We have given one quadratic polynomial and its zeros are alpha and beta. Then we have to find that quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So how we will solve? First of all, what we have given? The given quadratic polynomial is px equals to 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So this one is the given quadratic polynomial. First of all, to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, we will resolve this quadratic polynomial in its prime factor. So to resolve in prime factor, we will multiply first the outermost term, that is 3x square into minus 2. So it is minus 6x square. Now resolve it into two factors such that their product should be minus 6x square and then sum should be plus 5x. So we can do as plus of 6x minus of x. If we will add, it will be 5x, and we will product minus 6x square. So px will be equals to 3x square plus of 6x minus x minus 2. Implies that px will be equals to 3x square plus 6x we will take together and minus x minus 2 together. So while taking 3x as common, x plus of 2, taking minus 1 as common, x plus of 2. So required factor are 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now for zeros, now what we have to find? It's zeros. For zeros, px should be equals to 0. So 3x is equals 3x minus 1 is equals to 0, implies that x is equals to 1 upon 3. So this is the first 0 and let it alpha. Second one, x plus 2 barabar 0, implies that x barabar minus 2 and let it beta. So here alpha is equals to 1 upon 3 and beta is equals to 2. So these are the two zeros of given quadratic polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now read the question very carefully. Then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So now alpha is equals to 1 by 3 and beta is equals to 2. So to find the required quadratic polynomial, first of all we will find that quadratic polynomial's zeros, and those zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So now 2 alpha is equals to 2 into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3, and 2 beta is equals to 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. So the new quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So first of all, we will find the sum of zeros. So sum of zeros will be equals to, so the zeros of given polynomial are alpha is equals to 1 by 3 and beta is equals to 2. Now we have to find that quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So using these two results, 2 alpha will be equals to 2 into 1 by 3, that is equals to 2 by 3, and 2 beta barabar 2 into 2, that is 4. Now for the required quadratic polynomial, sum of 0, 2 alpha plus 2 beta, that is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 1. So it will be 2 plus 12 by 3, that is 14 by 3, and product of 0, 2 alpha into 2 beta. So 2 alpha is your 2 by 3 and 2 beta is 4. So it will be equals to 8 by 3. Now required quadratic polynomial is px बराबर x square minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros, implies that px will be equals to x square minus sum of 0, what is that is 14 by 3 into x plus product of zeros is 8 by 3. On solving, implies that px will be equals to 3x square minus 14x plus 8. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share and subscribe. Thank you, love you.